In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use StockCharts Perf Chart. Perf Chart is a simple but powerful way to compare how multiple stocks or indexes have performed over a chosen period. To get started, open your browser and head to stockcharts.com. From the Chart and Tools menu, select Interactive Perf Chart. You'll see a symbol entry box at the top. Type in the ticker symbols you want to compare, separated by commas. For example, AAPL, MSFT, GUGI, and then press Enter or click Go. The chart that appears shows how each symbol has changed in percentage terms from the start of your selected period. This makes it easy to spot which names have led or lagged at a glance. If a symbol doesn't load, double-check the ticker spelling and try again. If you want to add or remove symbols, use that same symbol entry area. Edit the list, add new tickers, or delete the ones you no longer need, then reload to update the chart. Perf Chart supports up to 10 symbols at once. For a cleaner view, consider limiting the list to a focused set, such as stocks in the same industry, so the lines don't get too crowded and comparisons stay clear. Next, let's refine the time frame. At the bottom of the chart, you'll find a slider that controls your period. Drag the left edge to move the start date earlier or later. Drag the right edge to change the end date. If you want to keep the length the same but shift the window forward or back, grab the center of the slider and move it as one piece. For precise control, double-click the slider thumb and enter a specific number of trading days. Shorter windows highlight recent momentum, while longer windows smooth out noise and show the bigger trend. Remember, the percentage values reflect the total change over the range you've set. Now choose how you want to visualize the comparison. Look for the line mode and histogram mode buttons, typically in the lower left corner of the chart. Line mode displays each symbol as a percentage line over time, letting you track how leadership changes day by day. Histogram mode condenses the selected period into bars, one per symbol, showing the net performance for that window. Use lines when you care about the path, and use histograms when you just want the final score. You can switch between them anytime, and your selected time range stays intact. That's all you need to start comparing performance quickly and clearly with Perf Chart. Experiment with different symbol sets and timeframes to reveal trends, confirm ideas, and make more informed decisions.